For the next 3 weeks.
Your hometown deli in Paulsboro, New Jersey. Probably not a lot of people know that it's valued at $100 million. Action News reporter Bob Brooks is live outside the deli tonight. And Bob, there must be quite a story behind that slice of financial information.
Well, Jim, there certainly is, and here's what we know. Your hometown deli right behind me here is owned by an umbrella company that has that $100 million valuation, and the person behind it, according to financial records, is local wrestling coach Paul Morina. When you think Paulsboro, wrestling certainly comes to mind. The Paulsboro High School has won 25 Class State championships, all led by legendary coach Paul Morina, who's also the Paulsboro High School principal. But according to financial records, Coach Morina also leads a company called Hometown International that owns one delicatessen, Your Hometown Deli on Mantua Avenue, valued at more than $100 million.
Food is good. I just don't think it's $100 million good.
There's hardly anybody at that deli ever.
Residents say what's more bizarre is when you hear the deli did just $35,000 in sales over the past 2 years, according to their latest report filed with the Securities Exchange Commission. Records show Morina is the president, CEO, CFO, and more at the company that's incorporated in the state of Nevada. Morina, who is also the company's treasurer and a director, has 1.5 million shares of the company's stock, which closed today around $13.
Something about the whole situation doesn't sit right.
Well, tonight we spoke with Brandon Wendell, chartered market technician and former hedge fund manager, now with WealthBuildersHQ.com.
Well, somebody's definitely been pumping up the price of the stock. I mean, it obviously has absolutely no value whatsoever.
He says what's going on here looks like something he's seen before.
It almost looks to me like an SPAC type company, which is special purpose acquisition. What happens is a company goes public like this to pull money to eventually buy another business. But it just looks a little suspicious.
And the reason why he says things look suspicious is because there's no real value here.
As an investor, you should be looking for something that either you're paying a small multiple of what it's currently worth based on its current earnings, or you're paying a multiple based on what it will be worth in the future based on operations. And this has none of that.
Now, Jim, Wendell says what's likely to happen next is an investigation by the SEC. Now, we tried to reach out to the coach. We didn't have any luck with that, but we also want to make notes. He's not accused of doing anything wrong. For now, reporting live in Paulsboro, Bob Brooks, Channel 6. Action News, Jim.
Plus, the deli reportedly has a really good roast beef sandwich. Thank you so much, Bob. New Jersey's gambling revenue more than doubled in